Hi, welcome to GetGenie. GetGenie is a one-stop shop for SEO content optimization and offers a lot of data to support the writing process. The great WordPress plugin offers keyword research, related search queries, natural language processing suggestions, competitor content data, and a keyword comparison table. With GetGenie, you can optimize content for search engines with predictive analysis. With GetGenie Keyword Research, discover untapped and relevant keywords with SEO research just with a single click. In competitor analysis, outdo competitors with better ideas by analyzing them. In head-to-head analysis, you can compete and analyze every aspect of your competitor. Give you keywords and perform a few clicks for a search engine results page-ready blog. Custom-tailored content with a step-by-step process. Meet the AI chatbot with customizable personalities. You can utilize the ready templates to generate write-ups in seconds. GetGenie offers a free plan forever with limited features, and paid plans start at $11.40 per month. If you want to use GetGenie for free, then click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching our video.